Hei hi akas fani aizolani chanchin thar achhiar tu silian sang puya Chief Minister Plal do man ram chung le pona ompui na thoktura mi thon chuak thin placement agency dan phalodin te license cancel sakvek ani to ati Mizoram IGP Plal bek thanga kheng te chuan dan jam thar criminal law pathum te chu Mizoram manani wa theinan thei to pan chu ati Telugu Desam Party Chief Nara Chandrababu Naidu chu Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister tan voin alak lo ni don Senior BJP leader Mohan Charan Maji chu Odisha Chief Minister thar ani don Chief Minister Plal do man ram chung le pona ompui na thoktura mi thon chuak thim placement agency dan phalovadin te license cancel sakvek ani to ati Namina Aizola Mizoram Private Placement Agency pakhat zofa agency a honna hethui soin Chief Minister chuan state economy thalo wangin namlowan tama Competition exam antling thei silova na hnoi hnungzok thlanga da pangaya thingtlanga na wang zola na zongin khopuya thalai te anluta anbe se angan movek silova hei hrin rampona na an tho theinan Mizoram sarkar chon kumsang ni som panga khan Mizoram Private Placement Agencies Regulations Act sakni som panga siamta a chu eka chuan beyond the boundaries of Mizoram ti mun hnia zialan ani a chu dan hmang chon agency somni pasari hne na phalna pek ani zuita a Khadan kha Mizoram sarkar thuni na PLM thil ani ti hria an omlova kalpui ni ta a har sarnan to ka alo lang fi ta ni hati etila hin agency te point kong dangin dan an lo bo cheve bok ti soin women commission ten thu boyan theluta nikum lama mi somni pakwa man an ni a bel thei ani awangin bel an ni a investigation ti effect to ani a shremna lam hi Mizoram sarkar in prosecution sanction ati theilova kumin January tha kha sarkar la pi an dila voin thlengina chana an hak me ka an sarkar vele khan heng license hi an cancel ta veka tu ma license nei anom to lowati Chief Minister chon ramdanga zo fa omte hui khom tul anti awangin zo diaspora sel andina Chief Minister office atangin an function don ti same agency chungchanga tun na sarkar mulang na tar langa heng agency thuwa an har sinate sutkian theina chun chu sarkar la pi tanga danang khapa license nei ni a ti thei chun zo fa agency anom ta chu alomam le ani ati Chief Minister hian Mizo thalai tu churam danga nasang le za tak tak te thok thei tura inbo sei tura fuin skill development war turina cha a Taiwan United Kingdom le South India lamte Mizo thalai ten na an tho thei dan tur an tak mek tu te pu atar langani Zofa agency thian ho parukin an din ani a kumin January ni somthum khan phalna an huwa March kha protector of immigrants in anron tlo a branch panga dang dile turin thron an pe a Ani hian deal swing halin branch panga approval hian ngak mek ani an hnoya kalte insurance tur po cheng no somnga anda a kong himle dan hnoya zel chau kalantum ani ani ang Ministry of External Affairs MEA phalane agency India marchak biala pali an ommek ani Mizoram IGP Pulal bek thanga khengte chuan ram chunga mantur nu chuina tana dan jam thar criminal law pathum te chu Mizoram manani wa theinan the to pan chu thu soi Pulal bek thanga khengte chuan Criminal law pathum sarkar la pina don thar de chu July ni khata tanga Mizoram police ten an man ve theina na sataka ani bo chai thu soya Mizoram police the training peturin NCRB atanga trainer an cha chu thu tele district sanga police officer de chu training ano pek lok to thu le training pe thei tur mi za chuang an nei to thu soya Mizoram police za samre te chu criminal law don thar chungchanga training anin pek vek to thu soi bok heng dan thar noi hian criminal crime tracking network system le prosecution court le prison baka police tem case thanchin an hria zongzonga anin thunjom thena tan interoperable criminal justice system bo saini thosoya hengte Mizoram police station zongzonga vu avek ani to thu sein poi khoina len thlenna mun po video manga chin sia vek angai to thosoya hemeta hen videographer ni turin Mizoram police mile sa zani somnga pasere tu zetina pek ani to thosoi bok Inspector General of Police chuan dan thar hnoya FIR po online manga thon le don the ani to tur thu soin online a case register thei tur Mizoram district somkhata training police da samli pariate zetina an pek to thosoi ani Pulal bek thanga khengte chon forensic evidence police ten anlak thima hunata sarkar la pe Indiaram state ina police te kumnga chung huna pek thosoya Mobile forensic vehicle po Mizoram district na da antum thu sein tundin muna district palia mobile forensic vehicle omcha thu soya Forensic Science Laboratory lampoin tun thachungin mobile forensic vehicle som pek so antum thu soi ba ka training pek konga po Mizoram Forensic Science Laboratory tenen tho ho antum thu soi ani Lai Autonomous District Council LADC Nueva Village Council samkwa pakua in thanale longtlai chan mari MDC by election tan Juni somni pasiri khian mi puiten vote an thak don in than hun tur la tul pai mo dang te chu Nimin Khan State Election Commission Mizoram Commissioner Pulaima Choza chon DC Conference Hall longtlai apuanga in thana monam le fel fai om thainan in thana boy puitu political party te media tlamai pole mi pui troi om na nge na mi pui do thana kal tanga in real bolna thatak om thainan the top chu thau tur somin tun thani somni pasire vote nei ten thak vek turina sombok ani LADC noi hian village council samkua pako omin general seat zali samkua porok omin mekhe tana seat hau samkua pakonen village council member changa samkua panga than chu turani a longta chan mari BL MDC Dr. Lorraine Lalpeklen chinza chu MLA thatin ni nuwa chan mari BL he chu chuna wanga by election ngai ni a village council MDC by election tan hian chu tumte tan tun thla ni som pariat tladar thum thleng minga pelu theidona min pelu te hi ni som pakwa chanu dar thum endik tanani anga induk do du tan ni som ni pakha chomadar khathleng hun honani a ni som ni pasari zingdar sari atang tladarang karami puiten vote an thang don ani in than than ngai om chuan ni som ni paret in than thatani anga village council in than na vote la te chu vote thak zowa chirhal tu ni in longka chan mari MDC by election vote la te chu thar ni khata chiar ni thungang village council in than na hian ballot paper man ni dona longta chan mari MDC by election vote thak na electronic voting machine man ani thungang State Election Commissioner Pulaima Choza chu in than hun ponin ta ka wangin LADC hom chunga Model Code of Conduct man tan ngalani thu soi ani Mizoram State Cooperative Marketing and Consumers Federation Mizofet chuan an annual General Assembly voice of Niprogna chu Nimin Khan State Conference Center an manga he hun hi Cooperation Minister PPC Vanaro tale Puviel Zai Thanzama MLA Aizol West Street and Manpui PPC Vanaro chuan thu soi Mizoram Cooperative Movement hi thale chaktaka kalpui thei chuni seram siam thade mason nan hun poimo takalo theni ti a India Marsak State pania National Cooperative Development Corporation Office hon tharjinga Mizoram potela chu wangin mizo thalai te point ama ain cooperative movement rontui puya ezana tlagani ti ria NCDC te ka ishuna noya Mizoram State Apo Society te ti changklungani deu theinan tan ruala ti taksan nen tho ho atulani ati Bufil Zatan Sam MLA point Hussein Cooperative Movement to Sarkar Tangan Puna Base of Mani Le Mani in Tranpui Turani line Mizoram Chundrin Ain Ahlotling Lawani A. Don't na Mizofet in essential commodities assume donna ma son Solomon Lea. Society he company and Nilovang cooperative principal Ken Kochungin Togzel Turinatsa Ani. Mizofet annual report alan danin tundun na thoktu za somsir pakhat nein sum dona homeland deu pathum kalpui mekani a chunga tanga komkalta chunga Mizofet in hlokna amoza chu cheng viable che khatno sumo pare le sing ni ani chanchin thar hi akaswani aizol tanga pon ani Telugu Desam Party Chief Nara Chandrababu Naidu chu Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister tan voina lagluni dona he hunan Union Home Minister Amit Shah le sarkar mi paimo tak tentel dona ni Chief Minister laglu in khom hi Vijayawada International Airport Bull Kesarapali IT Park Botseni Dona Punaidu Rol Hian TDP Janasena le BJP Shuaitu te Tangin Council of Ministers Laklu ani Don Bok ani Senior BJP leader Mohan Charan Maji chu Odisha Chief Minister Tharani Don BJP Legislative Party chan kumsumnga panhi upa Pumaji hi lungrol takin an Shuaitu tanan thanga Pumaji hi Odisha hian Kyojar Biela Tumli MLA thantin ani to ani Chief Minister Tan Thanani nuwa Pumaji chunan state mi puite besi nge thata ka tho antum thu soi ani Maloi Vice President Solos Chilima chu tho thena che sol athi chun danin he thona hian Maloi Vice President Chilima baka midang pakwan chuanga President Lazarus Chakwera office te so danin thona bo hi Maloi Defense Force te thona ni in thotan ni khan an khopui lilongwe atanga thok chokani a he thone kumsunga ka upa Vice President Chilima baka hiam anu pui le midang pore chu nani a tho cho tanga minute somle panga nuwa Mzuzu International Airport atum turaro manchu achin shelovna omzuya thona hi ngokara charani a damchuak anamlo ani chanchin tharcher ti topna na tlang pui Chief Minister Pulal do Oman Ram chung le pona ompui na thok turami thon chok thin placement agency dan phallowa dinte license cancel sakvek ani to ati Mizoram IGP Pulal bethang khengte chuan dan jam thar criminal law pathum te chu Mizoram man ani wat theinan theito pan chu ati Telugu Desam Party Chief Nara Chandrababu Naidu chu Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister tan voina lagluni don Senior BJP leader Mohan Charan Maji chu Odisha Chief Minister tharani don chu ti zong chu chanchin thar kan pon thei chu ani